Suppose n is one number, dividing this number n by p1 and remainder suppose r. Okay, so n is one number dividing by p1, remainder r, dividing the same number by p2, remainder r, dividing by p3, in that case also remainder r. So n can be written as LCM of p1, p2, p3 into some natural number k plus r. Okay, n is one number, dividing by p1 leaves remainder r, dividing this n by p2 remainder is r, dividing n by p3 remainder r. So in these three cases same remainder, we are getting same remainder r. So n can be written as LCM of p1, p2, p3, LCM of p1, p2, p3 into some natural number k plus r. Okay, take one problem. What is the least possible number? What is the least possible number when it is divided by 21, 30, 25, 27, 35 leaves remainder 2 in each case. Okay, so we are dividing that number by 25, remainder is 2, dividing it by 25, remainder 2, dividing that number by 27, remainder is 2, dividing that number by 35, remainder is 2. So question is, what is the least possible number when it is divided by 25, 21, 25, 27, 35 leaves remainder 2 in each case. Okay, so the number n dividing by 25, remainder r equals to 2, dividing the number by 21, remainder 2, dividing the number by 25, remainder r equals to 2, dividing the number by 27, remainder 2, dividing by 35, remainder 2. Okay, so n is LCM of 21, 25, 27, 35 into some natural number k plus common remainder 2. Okay, so n is LCM of 21, 25, 27, 35 into some natural number k plus 2. So n equals to LCM of 21, 25, 27, 35. It is 4725. So n equals to 4725 k plus 2. N equals to 4725 k plus 2. Now question is, what is the least possible number? So take k equals to 1. Just take k equals to 1. So n equals to 4725 into k, that is 1 plus 2. It is 4727. So the least possible number which is divided, when it is divided by 21, 25, 27, 35 leaves remainder 2. Answer is 4727. Okay. Next case, case 2. Suppose n is one number, dividing it by p1, remainder is suppose p1 minus r. Okay, we are dividing that number by p1, remainder is p1 minus r, dividing the number by p2, remainder is p2 minus r, dividing the number by p3, remainder is suppose p3 minus r. Then n can be written as LCM of p1, p2, p3 minus into some natural number k minus r. Okay, suppose n is one number, dividing that number by p1, remainder suppose p1 minus r, dividing the same number n by p2, remainder suppose p2 minus r, dividing the number n by p3, remainder suppose p3 minus r. Then n can be written as LCM of p1, p2, p3, LCM of p1, p2, p3 into some natural number k minus r. Okay? Okay. What is the least possible number when it is divided by 2, remainder divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, leaves remainder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Okay? So we are dividing that number by 2, remainder 1, dividing the number by 3, remainder is 2, dividing by 4, remainder is 3, dividing by 5, it is 4, remainder 4, dividing by 6, remainder 5. We have to find the least possible number. Okay? So suppose the number is n, we are dividing by 2, remainder is 1. Okay? We are dividing that number by 3, remainder is 2, dividing by the number by 4, remainder is 3, dividing the number by 5, remainder 4, dividing that number by 6, remainder 5. Okay, now see, 1 can be written as 2 minus 1, 2 can be written as 3 minus 1, 3 can be written as 4 minus 1, 4 can be written as 5 minus 1, 5 can be written as 6 minus 1. We are dividing the number by 2, remainder is 2 minus 1, dividing the number by 3, remainder is 3 minus 1, dividing the number by 4, remainder is 4 minus 1, dividing by number by 5, remainder 5 minus 1, dividing the number by 6, remainder is 6 minus 1. So n equals to LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into some natural number k minus 1. So n equals to LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into some natural number k into some natural number k minus 1. Now LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is 60. So k equals to 60 minus 1. N equals to 60 minus n. Now least possible number. So take k equals to 1. In that case, so answer is 60 into 1 minus 1. It is 59. 59. Okay. So answer is 59. Okay. Problem. What is the least possible 5-digit number? Okay. What is the least possible? 5-digit number when it is divided by 2, 4, 6, 8, leaves remainder 1, 3, 5, 7 respectively. Okay. So what is the least possible number when it is divided by 2, remainder is 1, divided by 4, remainder 3, divided by 6, remainder 5, divided by 8, remainder 7 respectively. Okay. 5-digit number. Okay. Now see, suppose n divided by 2, remainder r equals to 1, divided by 4, remainder is 3, divided by 6, remainder is 5, divided by 7, remainder is divided by 8, remainder is 7. Now 1 is 2 minus 1, 3 is 4 minus 1, 5 that is 6 minus 1, 8, 7 that is 8 minus 1. Okay, dividing by 2, remainder is 2 minus 1, dividing by 4, remainder is 4 minus 1, dividing by 6, remainder is 6 minus 1, dividing by 8, remainder is 8 minus 1. So n equals to LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 into some natural number k minus 1. Okay, so n equals to LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8 into some natural number k minus 1. Now what is the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8? That is 24. So n equals to 24k minus 1. N equals to 24k minus 1. Now what is the least possible number? So least 5-digit number is 10,000. Least 5-digit number is 10,000. Now divide this 10,000 by 24 first. Okay. Divide this number 10,000 by 24. So this is 96. 401. 16 0. So it is 6. That is 146. 144. 1 16. Okay, so dividing the number 10,000 by 24, quotient is 416. Question is, what is the 5-digit number dividing by 2, remainder 1, dividing by 4, remainder 3, dividing by 6, remainder 5, dividing by 8, remainder 7. That number is 24k minus 1. Okay, now the least 5-digit number is 10,000. We are dividing by 24. Quotient is 416 and remainder is 16. Okay, now k can be written as k. Now we can take k equals to this quotient 416 plus 1, that is 417. So n equals to 24 into 417 minus 1. 24 into 417 minus 1. We are dividing 10,000 by 24. Quotient is 416. Remainder is 16. So we can take k equals to 416 plus 1, that is 417. So n is 24k, that is 24 into 417 minus 1. Okay, it is 1008 minus 1. So 13007. So answer is 13007. That is the number when we divide this number by 2, remainder 1, dividing by 4, remainder 3, dividing by 6, remainder 5, dividing by 8, remainder 7. Okay.